Tired of juggling customer relationships with sticky notes and overflowing spreadsheets? Today, we're transforming Trello into your very own customer relationship management powerhouse, absolutely free. First, create a new board in Trello and name it something like CRM pipeline. Next, build your sales pipeline using lists. Common lists include new leads, contacted, qualify, proposals sent, negotiation, and finally, closed won or closed lost. Customize these to mirror your unique sales process. Now, populate your lists with cards representing individual leads or customers that's in each card. Add details like their name, company, contact information, and potential deal size. Use custom fields for specifics like industry or lead source. Keep track of all your customer interactions directly within the card's activity feed. Log calls, emails, and meetings, noting key takeaways. Utilize due dates to set reminders for follow-ups, ensuring no lead goes cold. Supercharge your Trello CRM by integrating other tools you already use, like Slack for team communication or Google Drive for document sharing. And that's it. By customizing boards, lists, and cards, you can streamline sales, enhance customer relationships, and ditch the chaos for a cost-effective and powerful CRM solution, all within Trello.